Hello everyone, let's make some lunch together. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pilau, and it's going to be very delicious. You're going to find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below in the right quantities. And if you're new here, I'm Scovia and I love showing you easy and amazing recipes. I've been boiling my meat for around 30 minutes because I wanted my meat to be tender. So I'm going to add in some cooking oil, and then I'm going to add in some onions. Stir in the onions and cook until golden brown. Growing up, I really used to love when my mother used to make for us pilau because the entire neighborhood would be filled with the aroma of pilau cooking, and I would be the happiest kid ever. So pilau is a very flavorful and aromatic rice because it's made with a blend of spices that make the pilau masala. To make the pilau spices, you need cinnamon, black pepper, cloves, cardamom pods, and bay leaf. That will, not forgetting cumin seeds. That will make for you a very nice homemade blend of pilau spices. So in my previous video, I showed you how to make the pilau masala. So you can check the video out in the description box down below. My onion is starting to brown. This is how it's looking. So I'm going to add in some crushed garlic and ginger. Then I'm going to cook until the raw smell of garlic and ginger fades away. Once the garlic is nice and flavorful, and you can see my meat is starting to have a very nice golden brown color, I'm going to be adding in my pilau masala. So I'm going to add in 2 heaping teaspoons of pilau masala, and then I'm going to add in 2 seasoning cubes. Mix the seasoning together with the meat. And then I'm going to add in my washed rice. Mix the meat together with the rice. I already have a very nice color for my rice. Then I'm going to toss the rice for about 2 minutes while stirring. This is going to intensify the pilau masala aroma into the rice. Once done and the rice is very well toasted, I'm going to add in some water. Stir in the rice, and then I'm going to wait for the pot to come to a boil, and then I'll check the seasoning. If it's not right, I'm going to add some salt to make my pilau well seasoned. When the water is starting to dry up, I'm going to reduce the flames to low, and then I'm going to cover my pot just like that. This is going to help me steam my rice. So I'm going to steam my rice for about 5 minutes until the water is completely dry. Look how lovely my rice is looking. This is going to be very delicious. So I'm going to turn off the gas, fluff a little bit more. So I'm going to serve some for myself. I love the outcome of my pilau. The rice has turned out very, very good, and the meat is very tender and very delicious. So I hope you try out this amazing pilau recipe at home. Make for yourself or your family some delicious pilau.